Welcome to Maria's Craft Studio. In this video I'm going to draw an urban watercolor illustration from a photo. It will be an easy tutorial for those who want to start drawing in Procreate. So, firstly I create a canva, and choose the size 30 by 30 centimeters and 300 dpi. After that I insert a photo, which I will use as a reference. I chose this cute and cozy living room for today's drawing. So, then enlarge the photo to fit the canvas and lower the opacity of this layer. The next step is creating a new layer and calling it Sketch. I will draw the sketch in black and use a brush from the calligraphy set, the last brush, which is called Script. So, I start to trace the contour of the pillow and do it a little casually. It's okay if your lines aren't perfect. This way I outline all the objects in this photo. I also add a pattern to the pillows to make it look more detailed. I also draw a pattern on the carpet. Then I scale down the sketch a bit and add an outline to the sides of the illustration. I definitely like this sketch. Now I can delete the layer with a photo and add it as a reference. This is necessary so that I can take colors from the photo. Now I create a new layer and place it below the layer of the sketch. I choose the color of the sofa from the photo and the brush number 7 from the watercolor set. By the way, you can download this brush set for free from the link in the description. Then, I fill in the color of the sofa and erase the excess if I go beyond the outline. In order to add a shadow to the object I will use the selection tool. I choose the freehand function and select the areas where the shadow falls. After the selection, I use the feather function so that the shadows are not harsh. Then, I choose hue, saturation and brightness, and darken those areas. To add another area, I click Add. The next step is creating a new layer, choosing a color for the blanket and painting over it. I paint on separate layers to make it easier to erase the excess if I go beyond the outline. In the same way, using the selection tool, I add shadows. After that, I merge the two layers and create a new one, on which I paint the pillows. Then I create a layer and place it under the bottom of all layers. On it I paint the wall and carpet. It is important to erase the excess, so that the color of the wall and carpet doesn't go over the rest of the objects. Then, I add highlights and shadows to these areas. After that, I merge the layers with the pillows and the sofa, and create a new one for drawing the table. So, then, on the same layer, I start painting the rest of the objects. And I create a new layer and paint the details. Also don't forget to add shadows. I also forgot to add furniture shadows to the carpet, so I selected this layer and added them. And I use the blend tool to smooth out the shadows in some places. Then I add color to the mirrors, and after that I create a new layer, on which I will add details. I choose white, and the brush number 5 from the watercolor set, and start adding shading where the light is coming in. Then I add the pattern to the pillows, mirrors and a small brown carpet. When all the details are drawn, the illustration is ready. I really like the result. The main thing is that drawing in this style doesn't take much time and doesn't require many years of experience. If you're new to digital painting, you can master this style with ease. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You can also write your opinion about this video in the comments or contact me by email.